Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's experiment is Baggie and the pencils. I have taken a Ziploc bag, some colored pencils and water. Now I will poke the water's Ziploc bag. See the magic! The water is not coming out. Now we'll poke more pencil through the bag. Still water is not coming out. Do you know how?
The bag is made from a flexible plastic polymer. When you stab the pencils through the bag, the plastic polymer moves apart, creating the hole. Once the pencil has moved through the hole, the polymer pushes back up against the pencil to create a temporary seal with the friction.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.